Strawberries in pots are different from strawberries in the ground. So the soil dries faster, the roots are more exposed, and if the watering isn't right, making berries is the first thing that the plant will stop doing. So on our farm, we've grown strawberries long enough to know that most production problems in containers come down to moisture consistency. So not too wet, not too dry, just consistent. So that sweet spot is what makes the difference between the plant that struggles and the plant that produces. When strawberries are watered too often, the roots stay saturated, oxygen disappears, and the growth slows. Leaves may look large and green, but flowers weaken, and when strawberries are watered too little, the plant then shifts into survival mode, and the plant conserves energy instead of producing berries. So the sweet spot is even, steady moisture. In most climates, that means watering potted strawberries deeply when the top of the soil feels dry, not on a schedule, not by the calendar, but by feel. When you want to lift the pot, feel the weight, you want to check the soil with your finger. The plant will tell you what it needs. On our farm, we water thoroughly so the entire root zone is hydrated, and then we allow the top to dry slightly before watering again. This encourages deep root growth and steady production. Now, if you'll check your potted strawberry plants every day, you're going to get a feel for when they need water. So here on the farm, when the plants are in production mode, we water them thoroughly every morning, and then we check them again in late afternoons. If the soil feels dry, we just water them again. To keep production up, we need to make sure that the plants don't go into survival mode by drying them out too much. So in the spring and fall, the plants require less water because the days are cooler and shorter. In the summer, the plants require more water and usually a second watering every day. Now, another key factor is drainage. Your pot must have proper drain holes. So the soil must drain well and still hold enough moisture to stay consistent. By daily monitoring, you will learn what your plants need. So water is only a piece of the larger system. So steady moisture supports healthy roots, full sun creates energy, and well-structured living soil allows air and water and nutrients to move properly through the root zone. The right variety is ready to flower quickly and balanced nutrition that shifts into fruit production. When all these elements are aligned, strawberries respond naturally with ripe berries in about 8 weeks from planting if you're growing the right variety. We discuss variety and how that affects production in our free guide, 8 Weeks to Your First Strawberries, the high-performance strawberry growing system for first season harvest. You can find the link in the description below.